Please say this. I want to say spice, white spice, white. Ooh, go down there, 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 right now.
Alright, so people, we do a trade with a girl at 199 store. It's about 2 days ago. She named Shanice. She drive the area. Then, you know when Apple have on the protection thing on the iCloud, it can take 1 hour to log out. However, I at the shop all night about buckler trade. This girl phone and I exchange the bumbuckler transaction. I don't even know how much pussy class eh. Right? I did it the whole fucking night. I mean, got my bumbuckler yard, a big pussy, big old stretch out, lab up, stinking girl, you come take my blood clot phone. And gone her pussy clot yard and feel like, say, me not get back my blood clot phone now money. Anywhere me see her in a blood clot chest me and land a be my yard. Remember me tell you, police have to come lock we up. Me a lock the blood clot phone shop because of that big stinking old girl. She must feel like say a blood clot, some little idiot uptown boy this year ramp with. Hey girl, me a give till 8 o'clock for blood clot bring back my money and my pussy clot phone. Else you now got blood clot like it. A wrong phone money I want ramp with here. Because I don't like blood clot people. I could have killed blood clot people and I feel like I choose to sit down in a pussy clot shop. I sell some big stinking old girl like on a blood clot phone. Nobody ramp with me. Nobody in a blood clot Jamaica can bring me down. I mean the goat in a phone thing. Oh, if I don't have a cell phone, I don't cell phone, brother. I don't like people, brother. I have to deal with them because of them I spend the money with me. If I don't have to deal with them, I don't deal with them, brother. Because me there I do my honest business. I don't trouble nobody, you know. I get up a morning time, I go to my business place, and I sit down there all day. Who come to my store, you know? I come to business with me, you know. Out of everybody else, you choose my store, you know, at the same time, you know, want to come go on like so, you want man for you have to go through them things, yeah? For some sort of simple thing. A joke thing, brother. They better me lock all my shop and I'm going to take up something else, dog. Because this not work out for me, brother. Look how much potential me have. Me not do the girl nothing. All me I do my business. You do a trade. You trade in your phone. You come to buy a phone. I'm offer you a better phone because it's a SIM version phone. You come to buy an eSIM phone, bro. You see? However, the phone I offer you, should it better than the eSIM. It's a better phone and it's a 512 gig. So it has a SIM version over the eSIM version, bro. And it have a bigger memory than the one where you want. I'm work out an honest deal with you and tell you how much additional cash you have to pay. And you say you want it. And when we do the transaction and the transaction done, I'll find out say the phone lock. Tell you say me exchange it and I tell you say me have a black one, I can't get it. Me even post the phone say it lock and I say Ravers link up. But you go link me in the morning and tell me say you don't want them customer highlight the up in the story because your head look dry. So me take you down. So the people them now can't see what really go on, you know. But me will post you back to make them see you. Because me don't do nothing. Me don't know how to flip in your head. I must tell me tell you say yo, me I can't go to Port Royal. Me normally have them look sweet talk because why you spend your money. So now the transaction I run too late now. Me I want to go to my yard. I don't want to go nowhere, brother. I never serious. I look a joke me that make. You want, what you want? So you want, man? I don't want you, brother. I have my wife. You see? Because you say the phone lock, you say you want it, I go unlock it. And me have phone I can give you, other phone. And you come at night, but then you say you can't wait till tomorrow. I will sort it out because none of us know say the phone lock. I will burn out the whole of our time for the device which will transfer the whole of your suck pussy picture them. I'm going to my yard late. Don't do nothing, brother. Me is a good salesman. I couldn't tell you say yo. I don't transaction at around too late now. Me I want to go my yard. I don't want to go nowhere, brother. I never serious. I look a joke me that makes. You want, what you want? I saw you want, man. I don't want you, brother. I have my wife. You see? Because you say the phone lock, you say you want it, I go unlock it. And me have phone I can give you, other phone. And you come at night, but then you say you can't wait till tomorrow. I will sort it out, because none of us know say the phone lock. I will burn out the whole of the time for the device which will transfer the whole of your suck pussy picture them. I'm going to my yard late. Don't do nothing, brother. Me is a good salesman. You couldn't tell us, say, yo, I don't want your business. So now you want to bring me down in the ground now because the phone lock and me can't exchange it. Of course, we can't exchange the phone. The supplier even say, yo, he want back the phone so he can get our next phone. And the man call me from there. But that's not the issue. You have other problems, bro. Because you just know me 2 days ago. How was so? I don't do nothing. Never force your money out of your pocket to come to the store. Brother, I have to go make ads and I can't believe the people so wicked and bumbuckler. The girl I want to try style me say, me go in her phone and I try sign out or whatever, I'm in a business. Me in the phone together. Me is a phone man, me not to your phone. Your phone can't log out and your phone is a part of the deal. So me not make a guy yard with the phone. So if you have to go give me the phone lock, give me the phone lock. You have to give me the phone password, yes, because the phone when I want exchange, you don't want it. You want the same phone lock, so you send me to unlock it. So yes, when me did not unlock it, me have to call you over the phone for the password and so me get the password. And now, the phone where you left with me because it no log out, we have to go your yard. We are trying to log out the things them as the merchant will just serve you. When I mean you no harm, you know. Me or you for just do a transaction with somebody at a business place and then the next day you gone viral. Then not, you don't have to put 2 and 2 together, you idiot. You don't have to know see me. But you not put up trust in my business for you to sit down and say, even though you see the sitting them and log out for around our yard. I must pimp him, because pimp him I get the blood clot phone. That's my part of the money because the transaction are done, you don't get flagged out successfully. But on your own, because the iCloud have the 1 hour thing, protection thing where you have to wait. And me done did I wait how long for your big pussy picture them come over for the phone where you get. And for no say me have to go wait this again. We are wrap up things tomorrow and I last part to find out say the phone lock now. Me have one in a index we seal in a box, but through it a black, you don't want it. You could have worked with that. I even hold on pan that and say out tomorrow. You see me I say? But no. You want to bring me down in the ground now and tell me, say, oh, the phone, them sell your lock. And if you give me for 185, no! Me will give you next one and collect the balance of cash for you blood clot after me. You understand? And that's the business. I got a quote for them thing already and the judge say put that on the blood clot receipt. No pussy clot refund on the exchange. Me only can get a refund if I have the blood clot exchange. And enough exchange me have. But now, you want to bring me down, you want me to come for me that come over. Me have to come for me that come over because I want the blood clot 12 Pro Max where you have. When me give you, flag out, where you say me for come for, and me come for, and you reach late, and just because you don't want the blood clot privacy screen, and me can't wait for you because me done mash up my blood clot day with you from the day before, and then me forgot today. And you want to mash up my idea today? No, I'm drive off with the screen protector. I'm telling you, say, yo, keep the blood clot 12 Pro Max and the screen protector till me come back. And that's your best for. Because I'm drive off with the screen protector for the lock phone where you say you still want. And where you want dump the two of this day until me drive off. You saw blood clot people wicked do. So you have to come tell the people them say, bim bim like their phone. And bim bim this, bim bim that. Did you go viral? Did you go anywhere? Me is a phone man. Don't to slicky and give me her phone and gone about our business left our iCloud gone. Jada Kingdom, the whole of bumbo clot them. The whole of them. Give me them phone and none of them girl there. Never hear. Say nothing or nothing happen.
know stick. They know you.
So you go pussy, where you go? Stop.
Hey!
The second best cocky me ever saw now, pan camera. Wow, the second best I want dancehall artists. Me say the cocky biggie. Ugh. Me say the cocky biggie. Oh my God. Me say the cocky biggie. Why the cocky have a big guys? Cold bomb take up my body. Wanna say? Girl, me say the cold bomb. Oh, me remember about the cocky. Me say when the man pull the cocky out of the pot, I'm see the cocky. I say, for a young boy, and my mind, I say, for a young boy, oh, you look so big. Bro, me I tell you, say, it's like me want to grab up the wood and fling it up in on my crutches. It's like me want to hold it up on the wood and say, huh? You know, hold it gone.
I shared this video with my 4-year-old cousin to show her what she was like when she was younger. And here's her reaction.
Crystal, why you suck me foot for? You're too idiot. My tell your mother and your sister, Ashley. Not your friend? Crystal, let me put my dirty foot in your mouth. Always tears body. Dirty like a boss. I guess I'm talking about dirty all these things. A dirty red. A dirty dot. Nobody cry and choke me this beard. Me the beard, that's why I'm pushing me a clean foot in your mouth. You get something foot again for me? Okay. If you when I come from work, you'll feel. When I come from work, your birthday, you come, cause suck me dirty foot when I'm done another. And I'm like a beard when I come, and put your foot on your mouth. I mean, okay, I love you. Alright, don't worry. Alright. Girl, I'm up my dear man. Girl, I'm at my dear. Girl, I'm at my dear. Girl, you remember dear.
Today, me find some very beautiful rat baby. Look on the rat baby, them so beautiful. Me find two of them. Rat baby number 1 and rat baby number 2. The rat baby name is very tame and very cute. Me think they will make a perfect pet. You can't find a cuter pet than a rat baby. Everybody knows a rat baby are some of the cutest creature them you can find. The rat baby them actually very nice to hold. As you can see, I'm very happy in that video. Me always want to find some cute rat baby, but I could have never find them. Usually, rat afraid of people, but them not afraid of me. Because them know say Joshua very nice. Them rat baby are very safe with Joshua, because nobody now will hurt them. Because me could not keep a rat baby as on pet, I go let them go on a very beautiful spot over side of my house. Now, I let go rat baby them very carefully. Rat baby number 1 jump out of my hand for some reason.